Hello friends, today we will discussing about the objective questions on fluid mechanics. Set number 1, properties of fluids. Question number 1, an ideal fluid is one which option D is correct, is non-viscous and incompressible. Question number 2, surface tension is a phenomenon due to option C is correct, difference in magnitude between forces due to cohesion and adhesion. Question number 3, ball pen works on the principle of option B is correct, surface tension. Question number 4, the bulk modulus of elasticity of a fluid is option B is correct, minus dp by dv by v. Question number 5, the pressure within a soap bubble is option C is correct, greater than the external pressure. Question number 6, a fluid which obeys the relation tau equal to mu into du by dy is called the option B is correct, Newtonian fluid. Question number 7, the viscosity of water with respect to air is about option B is correct, 55 times. Question number 8, Newton's law of viscosity relates option B is correct, shear stress and rate of angular deformation of fluid. Question number 9, the capillary depression in mercury is on account of option C is correct, cohesion being greater than the adhesion. Question number 10, 1 stroke is equal to option A is correct, 1 centimeter square per second. Question number 11, 1 poise is equal to option B is correct, 0.10 Newton second per meter square. Question number 12, in case of mechanics of solids, the law similar to Newton's law of viscosity is option A is correct, Hooke's law. Question number 13, the unit of kinematic viscosity of a fluid is option B is correct, centimeter square per second. Question number 14, all liquid surfaces tend to stretch. This phenomenon is called option C is correct, surface tension. Question number 15, falling drops of water become spherical because of option A is correct, surface tension. Question number 16, for a liquid droplet, the internal pressure in excess of outside pressure is given by option B is correct, 4 sigma by D. Question number 17, At a liquid air solid interface, the contact angle theta is less than 90 degree. This indicates that liquid is, option B is correct, wetting. Question number 18. In the phenomenon of cavitation, the characteristic fluid property involved is, option C is correct, vapor pressure. Set 2. Objective questions on hydrostatics. Question number 1. 1 atmospheric pressure equals to, option A 70 mm of mercury head, option B 10.34 meter of water column, option C 1.01325 bar, option D 101.43 kPa, option E all of the above. Option E is correct, all of the above. Question number 2. A block of ice floats on the surface of water contained in a vessel. How the water level will change when the slow melts? Option C is correct, remains the same. Question number 3. Indicate the variation of hydrostatic pressure with depth below the free surface. Option A is correct. It increases as the depth increases. Question number 4. The hydrostatic law of pressure variation is expressed by, option B is correct, P equal to W into Z. Question number 5. Local atmospheric pressure is measured by, option C is correct, a mercury manometer. Question number 6. Standard atmospheric pressure in terms of water column is, option B is correct, 10.34 meter. Question number 7. According to Pascal's law, pressure at any point in a liquid is, option C is correct, same in all directions. Question number 8. 1 bar is equal to Pascal. Option D is correct, 10 to the power of 5 pascals. Question number 9. Pressure measured with the help of piezometer tube is, option B is correct, gauge pressure. Question number 10. Map the column A and column B. Question number 1. Gravity dam. Question number 2. Circular water tank. Question number 3. Arch dam. Question number 4. Lock gates. So, gravity dam, correct answer is weight of concrete. Circular water tank, correct answer is option A, strength of cylindrical shell. Question number 3. Arch dam, option B is correct, abatement reactions. Question number 4. Lock gates, option C is correct, hinge and side reactions. Question number 11. Absolute pressure in a flow system, option C is correct, may be above, below or are equal to the local atmospheric pressure. Question number 12. Mercury is generally used in manometers for measuring, option C is correct, all pressures except the smaller ones. Question number 13. 0.3 meter head of oil, specific gravity 0.8 is equal to. Option B is correct. 0.24 meter head of water. Question number 14. Differential manometer is used to measure. Option B is correct. Pressure difference between 2 points. Set number 3. Objective questions on total pressure and center of pressure. Question number 1. The center of pressure at the center of gravity of the immersed surface. Option C is correct. Below. Question number 2. The distance of center of gravity and center of pressure for a vertically immersed surface is equal to. Option B is correct. Ig by AH. Question number 3. The total pressure on an immersed surface inclined at an angle theta with the liquid surface is. Option C is correct. WAH by cos theta. Question number 4. The total pressure on a vertically immersed surface is. Option C is correct. WAH. Question number 5. The horizontal component of force on a curved surface is equal to. Option C is correct. Force on a vertical projection of the curved surface. Question number 6. The vertical component of pressure force on a submerged curve surface is equal to. Option B is correct. Weight of liquid vertically above the curved surface. Question number 7. The depth of center of pressure for an immersed surface inclined at an angle theta with the liquid surface lies at a distance below its center of gravity. Option B is correct. Ig into sin square theta by AH. Question number 8. The depth of center of pressure for a vertically immersed surface is given by. Option D is correct. Ig by AH plus H bar. Set number 4. Objective questions on buoyancy and flotation. Question number 1. The center of gravity of the volume displaced by a floating body is called. Option B is correct. Center of buoyancy. Question number 2. When a body floating in a liquid is given a small angular displacement, it starts oscillating about a point. This point is called. Option D is correct. Metacenter. Question number 3. A floating body is in stable equilibrium when. Option C is correct. Its metacenter height is positive. Question number 4. If G is the center of gravity, B is the center of buoyancy and M is the metacenter of a floating body, then for the body to be unstable equilibrium. Option C is correct. M is below G. Question number 5. For stable equilibrium of a floating body, option D is correct. Gm is equal to I by V minus Bg. Question number 6. For warships, metacentric height of a ship should be vary between. Option B is correct. 1 to 2 meters. Question number 7. The metacentric height of two bodies A and B are 1 meter and 1.5 meter respectively. Select the correct statement. Option D is correct. Body B is more stable than A. Question number 8. During floodwater, enter an office having wooden tables. Indicate the position of tables if floating. Option C is correct. Legs upwards. Question number 9. Match list 1 with list 2. Question number A. G is above M. Question number B. G and M coincide. Question number C. G is below M. Question number D. FB greater than W. Question number A. G is above M. Correct match is stable equilibrium. G and M coincide. Option 4 is correct. Neutral equilibrium. G is below M is equal to stable equilibrium. FB greater than W. It is a floating body. So option D is correct. Set number 5. Fluid kinematics. Question number 1. The path traced by a single particle of smoke issuing from a cigarette is A. Option C is correct. Path line. Question number 2. Laminar flow is also called. Option D is correct. Streamline or viscous flow. Question number 3. A streamline is a line. Option D is correct. Tangent to which at any point gives the direction of velocity. Question number 4. For a two-dimensional flow field, the equation of streamline is. Option D is correct. dx by u equal to dy by v. Question number 5. Study irrotational flow of an incompressible fluid is called. Option B is correct. Potential flow. Question number 6. During the opening of a valve, the flow is. Option B is correct. Unsteady. Question number 7. If psi is the stream function, then velocity components u and v are given by. Option C is correct. U equal to minus dou psi by dou y, comma v equal to dou psi by dou x. Question number 8. The continuity equation dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z is equal to 0 is valid for. Option D is correct. Incompressible fluids and steady flow only. Question number 9. Flow of water in river is example of. Option D is correct. Three-dimensional flow. Question number 10. If phi is a potential function, then velocity components u and v are given by. Option A is correct. U equal to minus dou phi by dou x, v equal to minus dou phi by dou y. Question number 11. Vorticity is given by. Option B is correct. 2 times rotation. Question number 12. The local acceleration in the direction of x is given by. Option B is correct. Dou u by dou t. Question number 13. If velocity in a fluid flow does not change with respect to length of direction of flow, it is called, option A is correct, uniform flow. Question number 14. If density of fluid is constant from point to point in a flow region, it is called, option C is correct, incompressible flow. Question number 15. If the velocity, pressure, density, etc. do not change at a point with respect to time, the flow is called, option B is correct, steady.